Hello YouTube, Aconite here, and this painting video is going to be a little different in that instead of showing just one at a time, I actually got two. And one of them I've already given away to my brother who just turned 15. Golly, has the time flown. But he wanted a picture done of Corvo's daughter from Dishonored 2, Emily Caldwin, I think the name is. So here's the montage. Here's what it looks like now. As I'm sure you've seen through the April Fool's video, you'll notice that I frame a lot of my work now, or at least some of it. The top light in this room isn't exactly what it once was, so it's whatever if you can't see it. I can't either. But yeah, I make the frames out of cardboard, paper mache, and hot glue. It's got a fishing wire hanger that I put there myself. 3 times braided, but each strand is like 10 to 15 pound resistant, but it's 3 times that now, so that's you can pretty much hang anything heavy on that, as long as it's a painting, of course, within reason. The next one is my impression of well, I don't want to get political, so I won't do that joke, but yeah, it's a bleeding heart, and here's the montage. Here it is now. This one I did on a canvas board, though, not a canvas. And it's pretty accurate to, the size of a human heart. It's about the size of my fist. I know it looks smaller on camera, but what the hell. This frame I actually did a little differently, though. It's, instead of a more metallic look, I basically just painted it black and dry brushed some red on it, because I wanted it to look more natural as a frame. It's also only got 1 strand of fishing line as the hanger, too, which, I mean, I just figure since even when I ask to borrow, since I never bring my own, even when I ask to borrow something like the thrift store tape measure or whatever they have behind the counter, I'll go on over to their frames looking, through to what may or may not fit my canvases. And not only does 9 times out of 10, not only do I come up with diddly squat, but this is just a more fun way to frame them, at least for me, as practical and as fun as it is. So even if it's not conventional, it works for me. I'm happy with how they turned out, but yeah, I kind of wanted to do another different video this time just to space them all out, since the April Fool's one was painting related, but there aren't enough people, especially people in the goth online scene, that are talking about painting, or even, male goth fashion. Oh, hell, maybe I should do some of those videos for a future. I've already got plans to recreate a new pair of pants, so be on the lookout for that. But if you like, please like, feel free to share obscure little thoughts in the comments below, as well as to share the video itself. Subscribe if you wish to see more. Don't forget to hit the bell if you do. And as always, thank you so very much for watching. And I love you all.